Hello, my filthy darlings. It is I, everybody's dream ghoul, Calla DeKay, and today I am back with an unboxing, and one that couldn't have come too soon. Actually getting ready to go out to the zoo with my roommates, and I think this might make a bit of a difference in the quality of my day. So, this comes to us from Witchwood Bags on Etsy. I will, of course, put a link down in the description. I saw this, and it's one of those things I had to have. It's not really drag related. It's more of a style and quality of life kind of thing. So let's get into this and see what I'm talking about. Oh, it's already cut. Now, if you are anything like me, and you might be, you might not, you don't like the sun. I personally can't stand being out in it for too long. I don't tan. I burn pretty much to the bone, and it is not a fun experience. So anything I do to keep this one off myself but still keep me being able to go out and do things is a win for me. So, you know, sunscreen, parasol, all that stuff. Well, this hopefully will contribute to that in a good way. Now, I'm not too sure about this because they only had their hats. These only run so big, and I've got a big ass head, so this hat may not fit. So let's see. Oh, it is definitely pretty though. So here's the back. Not bad. You know, a little cowboy shirt. I was going to push that out, but this is what got my attention. I just thought that was so fucking cool. So let's see. This is a moment of truth. Well, actually, that will fit quite nicely. What do you think? Not exactly my thing, but it's going to help keep things off, and it looks nice, so, you know. I just had to figure out how to do my hair underneath this one. Actually looks good to me like an asshole. But yeah, there we go. One more look. So cool. Really like this. Good product. Feels nice. Feels really nice, good and sturdy. So Witchwood Bags, if you like this. So the description will be down in the comments below. But yeah, that is it for now. Very short one, not a lot showing off today. Maybe next time. We'll hopefully end with a new drag stream very soon. Until then, my filthy darlings, you keep yourselves out of trouble, stay safe, and since we're still in June, happy Pride. Goodbye.